Hola, in this video I'll show how to access cloud recordings in Zoom through two different routes. So one way would be to click on Zoom in the left hand side of the screen in Canvas, schedule a new meeting, and then if you scroll down you're going to see record the meeting automatically, and then it's going to be the default to record it in the cloud. And after your meeting, what will happen is a link will be sent to you and also sent to all of your students for that cloud recording. Now what I do is I sign in to my Zoom account, which I believe is my UNT account, but I go through the actual Zoom website and I schedule a meeting from there. And if I scroll down, I'm going to see the same thing, automatically record meeting, and then the default will be in the cloud. And the advantage to recording it through my regular Zoom account, or that is to say not through Canvas, is this way I don't have a link sent to all the students, which sometimes you want that and sometimes you don't, depending on what you have going on. Anyway, those are the two ways I know to access cloud recordings in Zoom. Gracias. Adios.